that was pretty good. Now try it again, but play it musically. I just felt dumb and thought, not only did I not play musically, but I don't even know what that means. Hi, this is Brett with Piano Aha. In this video, I'd like to give an answer to a question that I've been asked. The question is, why do I always use air quotes when I say the word musical or musically, as in play the passage more musically? And I'll tell you the reason is, actually let me tell you a story. I had a teacher one time. I played a short passage for him, and he said, yeah, that was pretty good. Now try it again, but play it musically. And I asked him, I said, well, what is it that you want me to do differently than what I just did? And he said, you know what I mean. And I thought, I don't know what you mean. If I had known what you meant, I wouldn't have asked the question. What is it that you want me to do differently is what I wanted to say. But I actually didn't say that. I just felt dumb and thought, not only did I not play musically, but I don't even know what that means. And when I ask him, he does not tell me, so I guess it's something that I'm just supposed to know. I would have been thankful if he would have, for example, let's say I was dealing with a phrase like dum 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 da dum. If he would have said, what I want you to do is play the first and the last notes of this phrase quiet, and the high point loud, dum bum bum ba dum. So that sounds like an idea as an entity in and of itself, as opposed to, for example, playing all the notes equally loud. I would have been thankful for that tip. Or perhaps he meant that there was like a dissonance at the end with the chord, where he wanted me to lean into this dissonance and then play the consonants somewhat more quietly. To this day, I don't know what it was that he was referring to. I felt dumb and I felt excluded from the realm of the musical. And it seems to me now, unnecessarily, it could have been solved by him simply telling me what it was that he meant. So to sum up, I feel like this word often is problematic for two reasons. One, I don't feel like it's well defined. What is it exactly that it means? And two, I feel like it excludes unnecessarily people from feeling like they are themselves capable of making music. With that, I say thank you for watching this video and happy ahas.